Hello children, in previous video we studied how to find out a square of a number. Now here we will study next topic of this chapter, that is square root. What is square root? As we are knowing that inverse operation of addition is what? Subtraction. Similarly, inverse operation of multiplication is what? Division. So here square root is also an inverse operation of squaring. Now see, previously in 7th standard you have studied one type of a problem in triangle, like suppose area of a square is 144 units square. So what could be its side? So how to find it? As I am knowing that an area of a square, that is side into side, which is equals to 144. So here I can write s square, which is equals to 144. Now here I have to find out a number whose square is 144. So as I am knowing that 12 12s are 144. So see, s square equals to 12 square. So root of s is square will be cancelled out. So side will be 12 units. 12 units. So similarly, what things we were doing in our earlier classes. In that, one more example if I want to give you that. Suppose you are applying a Pythagoras theorem. That is hypotenuse square equals to sum of square of remaining two sides. So among those three sides, if two sides you are knowing and one side you have to find, so that time also you have to apply the same concept. So here what we are doing, we are just finding 12 is what? It's a perfect square of 144. If I do square of 12, 12 12s are. 12 square means what? 12 12s are. So if I will multiply 12 by the same number by 12 itself, so here I am getting 144. So here I can say that 12 is a square root of 144. Similarly here, if I will write down those all numbers till 1 to 10, square of those all numbers, so observe. See, 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, 4 square 16, 5 square 25. Here also 6 square 36, 7 square 49, 8 square 64, 9 square 81 and 10 square, which is equals to 100. Now see, it's opposite, it's inverse if I'll do. If I want to find out its root, so root, square root we are denoting basically by this symbol, or we can write down bracket outside the power 1 by 2. So meaning of this both is same. So square root we are denoting with this symbol, as just before I told you that like addition is a reverse operation of subtraction, multiplication is reverse of addition. Similarly, square root is also a reverse operation of squaring. So here, if I will apply reverse operation, so if root 1, so root 1 which is equals to 1. If I find root 4, see, observe, root 4. So root 4 means what? 4 equals to 2 square. And if I will apply here root, so this is root means what? Half power. So square and half power will be cancelled out, and now we are getting 2. Similarly, root 9 is 3, root 16, 4, root 25, 5, that is here also. Root 36 will get, root 36 I will get 6, root 49 which is equals to, see again if it is a confusion, one more example I am solving here. Root 49 means here I can write 7 into 7, that is 7 to the power 2, and root means power 1 by 2. In exponent and power we have studied this property, both will be cancelled out, which is equals to 7. So similarly we can obtain, so root 49 equals to, here I can write down 7. Similarly, root 64 is 8, root 81 is 9, and root 100 is 10. So hope now it is understood to you that it is square root is just reverse operation of squaring. Now here in this square root I want to discuss these three questions. first one. What are the possible ones digit? Ones digit means unit place only I have to find. Ones digit of the square root of the following. Square root of the following. So here observe, unit digit is 1. So which number square if I'll do, then I will get 1. So as I am knowing, 1 square 1. 9 square 81. So here root 1 1. Root 81, here I am doing 9. So in both of these number my unit place is 1. So it could be, its unit digit could be either 1 or 9. So here you have to conclude that the possible ones digit of the square root of the given number 9801 is either 1 or 9. Similarly, one more question, 6. Now this number is given a square number and I have to find out the root. So as I am knowing that 4 square 16 and 6 square, that is 36. So if you will find out the root of 16, you are getting 4, and the root of 36, we are getting 6. So it's possible unit digit of this square root will be either 4 or 6. You have to remember that reverse table. Now see 5. So if I am getting a 5 in a square table, it means here I am having 5 square, that is 25. So its reverse is 5 only. So its unit possible digit of its square root is 5. Hope it is understood to you. Now next question here. See, second question. Find the numbers which are not perfect square. Numbers to be a perfect square, what should be its unit digits? Its unit digit could be either 0, 1, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, 9 can also be there. So 4, 5, 6 or 9. So if a number ends with either 1, 0, 4, 5, 6 or 9, then we can say that it is a perfect square number. Now here they are asking that find the numbers which are not perfect square. So now observe, its unit digit is not among this collection. So it is not a perfect square. Second number, 7 is also not from this collection. So obviously it is not a perfect square. 8, that is also not belongs to from this collection. So it is not a perfect square. Now 1. So 1 belongs to this group. So here we will conclude that here unit digit of a given number is 1, which belongs to the group of a perfect square numbers, unit place of a perfect square numbers, that is 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. So therefore 441 is a perfect square number. Now last one. These all are logical question. Here no specific fixed method. Just in your language only you have to give its answer. Now see, find the square root of 100 by repeated subtraction. Repeated subtraction method is what? From the first lowest natural number. Lowest natural number is 1. So from a lowest natural number, all gradual odd numbers I should subtract till I will not get 0. And if I am getting a 0, it means that number is a perfect square number. And also what many repeated subtraction I have performed will be a square root of that number. Now see, here my number is 100. So lowest natural number is 1. So that is 99. Now I got answer 99. So that will be now my question. Next odd number is 3. So 99 minus 3 will get 96. Now 96 will be my question. After that next odd number is 5. So here we will get 91. So 91 minus next odd number after 5, that is 7. So 91 minus 7, here I guess you will get 84. Now 84, that is your answer. Here will be your question. Minus next odd number, that is 9. So 84 minus 9, you will get I guess 75. After that 75 minus after 9 your next order number is 11. So 75 minus 11 you will get 4 and 6. 64 now will be our question, and after 11 next odd number is 13. So subtract 13 from 64. Here you will get 1 and 5. Now 51 will be our question, and after that next odd number is 15. So subtract 15 from 51. We'll get 41 minus that 36. Now 36 minus 17, subtract it. So here we will get 19, and 19 minus next order number is 19, which is equals to 0. Here observe, remainder is 0. So here 100 is a perfect square number. Now here I have to find out its root. So root of 100, which is equals to, now see here how many repeated subtraction we performed. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So root of 100 is 10. So similarly, any question is given to you. If you want to apply this method, you just have to remember that from a lowest natural number, that is 1, gradual odd numbers you have to subtract till you will not get answer 0. If you are getting answer 0, means it is a perfect square number. And also you have to count how many repeated subtractions you have performed. So that many subtractions number will be your root of that given number. Hope the concept of square root understood to you.